Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain you how to create sitemap to your WordPress website. Before submitting sitemap to the Google Search Console, you need to install a plugin called XML Sitemap Generator for Google. Before that, you also need to install Sitekit by Google. Okay, in my previous video I have shown you how to install this Sitekit by Google and how to submit the website to the Google Search Console. Okay, after submitting the website to the Google Search Console, you need to submit the sitemap also. So in order to submit the sitemap, you need to install a sitemap plugin. So on the left side, click on this plugins option and click on this add new plugin, and in the search bar type sitemap, and if you scroll down, here you will see the XML sitemap generator for Google. Okay, please to install this plugin. After installing, you need to activate this plugin. Okay, now we have successfully installed the sitemap generator for Google, and we need to generate the sitemap. So this is my website, and now in order to generate the sitemap, you need to add a text like your domain name. Enter these text like after your domain name sitemap.xml. Okay, so you need to enter these details like after your domain name, like myportfoliowebdesign.com/ if you have .com or .in .uk, you need to enter after your domain name /sitemap.xml and click on enter. And here you can see sitemap has been successfully generated for our website. Okay, here you can see in our website this sitemap shows how many pages are there, how many posts are there, and everything. Okay, if I click on this post option, so here you can see these are the posts that are available in my website. Let me go back, and if I click on this pages sitemap.xml, here you can see these are the pages that are available in my website. Okay, let me go back. So after generating the sitemap.xml, so you need to copy this same text like sitemap.xml. Before going into video, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Balasagar and I am WordPress web developer with 7 years of experience. If your business needs website designing services, please do call or WhatsApp to this number. I design business website, e-commerce, online stores, real estate, restaurant, and all types of category websites. For consultation or WordPress related issues and queries, please do contact or WhatsApp me. You can click link in the description below to WhatsApp me directly. And go to search bar and type Google Search Console and visit this page, Google Search Console tools, and click on start now and go to sitemaps option, and here you need to enter sitemap.xml and click on submit option, and here you can see sitemap submitted successfully. Okay, and here it will show you status like success. So that's how we will generate the sitemap and submit sitemap to the Google Search Console. And if you click on this sitemap option, here it will show you like sitemap pages, posts, okay, everything. If I click on this pages option, here it's showing like sitemap processed successfully. Okay, if you feel like this video provided you value, please do like and subscribe my channel, WordPress related tips and web designing courses and videos. Please do comment in the video if you have any doubts on WordPress related issues. I will definitely make a video. It will help you. Thank you.